What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Harley Sawyer from Poppy Playtime Chapter 4. Let's begin today's lesson along the top of our page with a curve. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to bend this up in the middle and then back down towards the right. Now I'm going to come straight down the side to right about there. Do the same thing on the right side, coming down towards the same height. Now I want to round out the bottom of the head. We're going to come down, across, and then back up. Let's trace the head along the inside. So we're going to start with the top first. Go straight down the side. And then we'll curve the bottom. Let's draw that eye in the center. We're going to start with a circle in the middle. Now over on the left side, we're going to draw the top of the eyelid. We're going to go up, bend that down, go back over to the left side, curve this down, and then up. Let's add a fold for the collar. Starting on the left side, we're going to bend this down in the middle, and then back up. And then in the center, we're going to draw two bars. Leave a gap in the center, draw one, and another line on the right, step out, and draw that once more. Now I'm going to fill the inside of the collar in black. Now from the bottom corners of the head, we're going to draw the side of the collar. Let's start on the left. We're going to bend this out and then down. Do the same thing on the right. And I want to bend this in and then up. Let's add another point on either side. Going down and in. And then bend this up and then in towards the middle. Underneath the collar, we're going to leave a small gap. Curve this out and then down towards the bottom. Let's line this up on the right. Doing the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Now from the left side, we're going to draw a wave. Going down, up, and then down towards the right. Now across the center of the body, we're going to add a series of buttons. So on the top right side, add a circle, come down towards the left, add another one. Now it's going to alternate, adding two per side, and we'll fill those buttons in black. Let's leave a large gap in between the legs. We're going to go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down, go to the right, and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Now let's draw on that first toe, going out and up, bend this out and then down towards the bottom. Let's round out the toe. Now I'm going to go up and then in towards the top, come down and in toward the inside of the leg. Now I want to layer two more toes on either side. From this point, we're going to step down, bend this out and up, come out and down, round out the toe, and just trace that back up and then back in. Let's do that one more time on either side. Now across the top of the knuckle, we're going to draw a half circle. Now we'll fill those half circles in black. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's go on top of that middle toe. It's going to curve the leg, coming in and then up underneath. Now from the collar, we're going to step in, draw the outside of the arm. Bend this out and then down. And you want to tear up the bottom edge of the sleeve. We're going to go up and in, come down and in. Now I'm just going to bend this up and then in toward the side of the body along the top. Let's go up to the top of the sleeve, step over, it's going to bend the arm, going out and then down towards the bottom. Round out the wrist, and then bend that back up. Do the exact same thing on the right. Coming down and out, round up the wrist, and then bend that back up. Now going back to this point, we're going to draw the back side of the sleeve. Come in and then down in behind the arm, continue down towards the bottom, bend this up and then in toward that bottom point. Now from the outside corners of the wrist, we're going to bend the hand, going out and then down, round up the hand. Now underneath each hand, we're drawing 3 fingers. Let's start from the outside corner. We're going to bend this out and then down, round up the finger, go up and then back in. Let's do the same thing on the right, starting with the outside finger. Now from the inside, we're going to bend this one coming down and in, round up the finger, and then bend that back up. Now we're going to add one more finger in between, coming down and then back up. On top of each finger across the hand, we draw a small half circle for the knuckle. And we'll fill those in black. Now I want to separate each finger in half with a curve. Now I'm going to fill the inside of the sleeves in black. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Harley Sawyer from Playtime Chapter 4. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.